Congratulations. And how are
Mhm.
you feeling?
Yeah, I feel good, ma'am. I passed the first attempt in this
Okay.
exam.
So, what, in your opinion, was the most difficult part of the exam?
The most difficult part of the exam is the calculation part is the most difficult one, ma'am. With little bit tricky questions are comes.
Hello, welcome to Academically. We have here with us Premnat. Hello, Premnat.
Hello, ma'am.
So, yes, so Premnat has qualified the DHA Pharmacy Technician exam. And Premnat, first of all, congratulations. And how are
Mhm.
you feeling?
Yeah, I feel good, ma'am. I passed the first attempt in this
Okay.
exam.
Okay, so this was your first attempt.
Yes.
And for how long have you been preparing?
More than 6 months, ma'am.
Okay, so 6 months, that's great. So within 6 months, you have qualified the exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, Premnath, I would like to know why did you decide to go for the DHA Pharmacy Technician exam? That is why Dubai.
Yeah, actually, it's my dream, ma'am, to work in pharmacist in Dubai. But unfortunately, I complete only the diploma course only.
Okay,
So, one of my friends suggests this DHA exam for the pharmacy technician. Also suggest the Academically uh, website. So I can join this website and preparation for the DHA exam. This is my dream actually, work in Dubai.
okay,
So
okay.
I'm a
So,
pharmacy completed diploma course. I'm only eligible to work in pharmacy technician in Dubai. So I choose this
okay,
exam DHA.
okay, okay. So, yes, we know the road to success is never smooth. So, what, in your opinion, was the most difficult part of the exam?
The most difficult part of the exam is the calculation part is the most difficult one, ma'am. With little bit tricky questions are comes, but it is manageable under the given materials. Whatever the given the materials, manageable. The little bit tricky, the unit conversion only the tricky questions. The others are
Okay.
easily manageable. That's only the tough part of the questions.
Okay, so you would say rest of the things they are comparatively easier, but the calculation parts it's
Yeah,
most tricky. But
yeah,
with the
tricky.
help of the questions provided, you practiced and you were able to qualify.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 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 that is great. And what was your preparation strategy? How did you prepare for the exam?
Actually, prepare. I choose the one topic, ma'am. I set a targeted day for 2 or 3 days. First of all, I read thoroughly, top to bottom, thoroughly, without any notes. Read thoroughly. Then I set a particular date for 2 days or 3 days. I make some notes, important notes only, not too much of notes, important notes only. Then all of the topics I covered like this only, ma'am. This is my strategy. I take one topic, set a goal for 3 or 4 days, and complete the whole topic. What are the question possibles comes under this topic? I make a own questions. Then I find the answer, ma'am.
ओके
This is the
ओके
strategy.
सो फर्स्ट आपने सबसे पहले लेक्चर वॉच किया जो
Yes, ma'am.
एकेडमिकली के लेक्चर थे सबसे पहले
Yes.
आपने लेक्चर देखा लेक्चर देखने के बाद आपने अपने खुद के नोट्स बनाए राइट
Actually, I understand English only. I'm not understand
okay
Hindi.
okay 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 that's all right okay then so the first thing that you did was you watched the lecture you made your own notes while you were reviewing the lecture after that what did you do you made questions on your own right
Yeah, one more
so you
questions.
put in the work yes
Yes.
so tell me for how many hours a day did you study
For whole syllabus, ma'am, or particular topic?
no like just what was your plan like how did you go about your day you were working when you were preparing
Actually, particular topic I take 5 or 6 days. I complete whole
okay
syllabus more than after classes. After see all the classes, I take only 3 months to complete the whole topic.
okay so after you completed all of the topics after that for 3 months you
Yes,
revised
yes, madam.
okay okay so that is great so like you given a lot of time for revision you put in a lot of time for the
Yes,
revision
ma'am.
so
Yeah,
that
revision.
is important yes that is
Actually,
important
I completed before 3 months or complete all the topics. I used to
okay
only 3 months for the revision only.
okay okay so this was your strategy you
Yes,
took 6 months in the first 3 months you went through all of the topics you made your
yes,
notes you made
yes.
the questions and in the next 3 months you revised
Right. Yes,
you
ma'am.
did more questions
Yes, ma'am.
okay okay so that's a good plan that's great Okay, so as you have told me that a lot of calculation questions were there, what other sort of questions were there?
Maximum unit conversion, ma'am. The simple unit conversion, but the question comes like I say like a given mg, but the answer come like mcg, the microgram. So this is a little bit tricky only. Some other questions comes under the weight. For the particular weight, person have particular weight. The for a particular mg, for how much for the for 50 other weight persons for the mg, ma'am. That's only
Okay.
maximum. These two conversion of calculation only comes.
Okay. So right before you for the
Actually,
exam.
I send one document format.
Mhm.
Whatever I remember in the questions, I send
Yes,
document
you
for
did share.
Tahreem,
You
ma'am.
did share. That was very helpful. We are going to
Yes,
share
ma'am.
it with our students. So
Yes,
when they when go for the exam, they'll have a basic idea to what to expect. Okay. And right before, if I remember correctly, right before you went for the exam, we had a few sessions for calculations, especially
yeah, revision section. Yes, ma'am.
revision sessions. So were they helpful?
Yeah, that's helpful, ma'am. That actually, whatever the revision class, the conversion, he tells the conversion part only, not too much one. Conversion part only, this is very helpful.
Okay, that is great. Okay, so Premnat, I would like to know, how did Academically help you? How was the support? How was the content and everything?
Academy help each part of the preparation, ma'am. I have any doubt, I straightly went to Tamrin, ma'am, or other staffs also. He immediately explain the whatever the problem. He immediately rectify it. It's very helpful to preparation. Also, materials is very quality materials, ma'am. All our questions and the case scenario, some of case scenario questions are come, ma'am. It's under the what given case scenario questions in the material. It comes in the exam. It's
Yes.
very helpful.
Okay. Yes, you told me earlier as well that the case scenario questions, especially the case scenario questions, even in the exam questions were from that part, mainly from that part. Yes. Okay. So you are an inspiration to a lot of students who are preparing for the exam. So what would you like to say to those students?
Focus on more calculation part, ma'am, because in this pharmacy technician you can focus to more calculation, loss, and pharmacy and hospital setting. Focused on more in this topic, calculation, the pharmacy and hospital setting, because maximum question under these topics, ma'am. Some few topics are not in the exam, so focus on more calculation, hospital setting, infection control, so this type, and also loss, pharmacy loss.
Yes,
Focus
that
on
was.
this topic.
That is
And
important. Pharmacy
make
laws.
more mocks, revision mocks. Also do with some help with chat gpt. You can make the more mocks questions.
Okay.
Okay.
So you are saying that as many questions as you can practice.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes, we have also added a lot of new questions to the
Yeah.
content. Okay then. So any final words for Academically?
Thanks to achieve this exam, ma'am. Actually, I did not believe in first attempt I passed the exam. So for that time, thanks to the Academically. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, so the first time, like when you sat for the exam, you were not sure you're going to clear it.
Yeah, I'm clear, ma'am. Actually, I'm more confident than my family. My family did not. My family tells this is international exam. You can
Okay.
do more. You put more effort. But actually, I put more effort. Then I passed the exam. I confident.
Yes. You did put in the most effort that you could, and along with that, with the correct resource material.
Yeah.
Like the resource material that was there, it was precise.
Well,
The content,
yes,
the
ma'am.
topics, and everything that was precise for this particular exam. Because there are because we have a lot of students who were worried. Like you're saying, your family was worried at the time that you should put
Yes,
in
ma'am.
more effort. So
More
there are a
effort.
lot of students. A lot of time they're telling us, "Ma'am, there are not many more books. You are not sharing books." But reading a lot of books, I don't think it is going to help. What do you say, Premnat?
Actually, ma'am, book is not useful for this exam, ma'am. Actually, given materials enough. Pharmacy technician exam, the given material is enough. Whatever the given in Academically in material is useful, ma'am. Actually, book is not useful. Actually, I went to some other online books, ma'am. So for the pharmacy technician, there is no other questions are come. What are the given materials? Only the questions come, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, that is one thing, because I am always
Student receive after the exam. There is no question from books.
Yes, that is why it is more beneficial, and students will understand this better if you it is coming from you. Because when I am informing students, they don't go after the books. There are a lot of books in the market. There are a lot of things, you cannot
Yeah.
cover everything.
Yeah,
That is not
the
possible.
student confused, ma'am. What are the questions comes? Students is confused. This is but proper way. Materials on a proper way. This is enough
Yes.
actually.
Yes. So that is something. So you would like to inform students about this?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Any students? Yes. So please go ahead. So
Now only, ma'am.
yes, please, because this will be going on YouTube. So we want you to tell all of the students about your experience.
Okay.
How did you prepare? That you have already told us that you took 6 months, 3 months for the course and 3 months for revision. After that, you sat for the exam, and then the content that you used. So we want you to tell more about the content.
Actually, students, you can first of all go with the pharmacy calculations. You do the calculation more, put more effect in calculations. This is the calculation, whatever given in the material, that is enough for attend the whole calculation part in the exam. So you put more effect in pharmacy calculation. You did not worry about not given too much material, because questions are under whatever given in the academically. So focused on whatever given in the material only, because no questions are not comes out of the syllabus. What are the given in the only? So that's it, ma'am. Wow.
Okay then. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing your experience.
I did not advise to anyone, so that's why.
Sorry?
I did not advise to anyone, so that's why.
Okay. You have never given advice to someone else, you're saying. But now you're in a place.
Some other students are more talented than me. So
yes. See, everyone has different talents. So you cannot say that someone is more talented than me. Yes, they might have a different talent. You have a different talent.
Mine I'm more talent, but some others don't. So that's why I'm limited advice only.
Okay. But you have qualified the exam. So for some students, so you are the talented one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.